Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Ziba, and on behalf of entire Biela and Teach Me Code team, I just want to say how grateful and excited we are to have you here with us. Today is a big moment, not just for us as a team, but for every creator, builder, and curious mind that believes technology should be a tool for everyone and not just for a few. Biela was born from a simple idea. What if anyone could create the future just by asking for it? That's what brings us here today. We're launching a platform for possibility, a place where ideas turn into digital reality, fast, fluid, and fearlessly. We brought people together from all over the world for this. And today's agenda will walk you through exactly what we've built and where we're going. So let's start. First, I'll walk you through our agenda and introduce you voices you'll hear from today. John will give us a heart of behind Biela, why it matters, who is it for, and what type of problem we're solving with Biela. He also will give some ideas about how to use Biela and just how powerful it really is. Then we're going to pass it to George. He will take us live, building something from scratch right in front of you. After that, Seb will talk about our commitment to community and how we're making sure Biela is shaped by the people who use it. And then I'll come back to introduce our exclusive Biela competition, where we're inviting you to show us what you can create. And finally, we will have a Q&A session. So let's take a deep breath, get ready to see what's possible, and let's start building a future that includes everyone. So, John, please take over.
Hello, everyone, and thank you for giving us the time today. First of all, I want to talk to you about why we built Biela, and then give you some ideas about how you can use Biela. So we had the vision to remove the barrier to creating digital experiences of being able to code. We want to put this in the hands of anyone who has an idea. So we've built an ecosystem that's accessible, allows for creativity, and empowers people to build with speed. We're not stuck by templates. There's no drag and drop. There's no coding. It's accessible digital execution through natural language. In order to make this work effectively, my advice is consider the intent of what you want to build. Set the context, build the user journey, and prompt effectively. If you do that, you'll be able to refine the experience through additional prompts, but you will be able to create something revolutionary, fast, frictionless. This is the future of digital creation. And with that, I'm going to pass to George, who's going to show you how it works.
All right. Hello, everybody. Thank you, John. Thank you, Ziba. Nice to see you again. Okay, let's build something. Comment in the write in the comment section. What do you want to see? Okay, let's see. Do we have any ideas? Okay, until we have an idea in the comment section, let me show you what I built since Ziba started. So I gave Biela this simple prompt, create a presentation website for a SEO agency. And you can see the results in just a few minutes. Sorry. I'm back. In just a few minutes, Biela created this super nice presentation website for a SEO agency. And just to show you again, this was the whole prompt. Create a presentation website for an SEO agency. Now, you already saw that we can make it better with few prompts. Let's do it again. So let's say we want to call this website, instead of optimize rank, we call it SEO agency. We just have to tell Biela what to do. Name it ACO agency. It will run. We just need a few moments. Until it's ready, let me show you what else I created with Biela since it started. I created a simple snake game. It's very basic, just we press start button and we use arrows to control it. Oh, I lost already. So we can even create games. Okay, I lost again. Let's see the other tab. Let's see how the SEO agency website is doing. It's still cooking. We give it a few more seconds. It should be ready very soon. Okay, we have in the comment section that people, they want to create a portfolio for a designer. Okay, let's do this. Let's create a portfolio for a designer. Create a portfolio page for a designer. Okay, I must have used all its power. Let's go back to our other projects for now. Okay, this is still not ready. We let it cook a little bit. Meanwhile, let's take some questions from the comment section. Can I generate a custom blog with categories and search? Yes, you can do this. Can Biela create a job board where users can post and apply? Yes, May. Then they can create a job board, and people will be able to post, apply, comment, refer other people, and so on. Website for renting gaming consoles. Yes, of course, it can do this. Movies. Slam Time, I'm not sure if it can do movies right now, but it can do a website which lists some movies like Netflix. Maybe it can build a website like Netflix, but little smaller, let's say. Marketplace like Airbnb or Etsy. Yes, it can do this. It can do marketplace like Airbnb or Etsy. Can it generate a customer ticketing system? Yes, it can. However, for some of these websites, you may need to connect it to a database. This will be available very soon. It's not available today, but it should be available later this week. A website to list radio station from all over the world. Yes, very nice idea, Gabi. Yes, it can do this. Okay, let's see. No preview available. Some of you wrote in the Telegram channel that you have this issue. When you have this issue, it's very simple. You just write in the terminal npm install and npm run dev. We give it a few seconds. The website is live. The title is changed. Let's deploy it. We wait a few seconds. Can I generate a portfolio website with filters? Yes, you can do this. Games like similar to Call of Duty. Well, Call of Duty is a very big game. I'm pretty sure you can create smaller first-person shooter games. But, to be able to generate such games like Call of Duty, I mean, it's really a great game, but it's very big. You may need some developers for that. Can I build a restaurant site with online ordering like Deliveroo? Yes, you can do this, and you can even have a back office for the online orders, like to have the delivery guys see what orders they have to deliver, like the chefs see what they have to cook, and so on. Okay, our website is live. Biela gives us a link. Here is it. By the way, later this week, you should be available to have your own custom domains linked to your deployments. So people cannot access this live even now. I will put this in the comment section. Do you want other modifications to the site? To the site? Sorry, let's see. Let's take something from the comments. All I see is my affiliate dashboard. Where can I access Biela AI? You will be able to access Biela AI later today. In few hours after the call, 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe you will all be able to access the AI. Is it responsive? Let's check. Usually it is. Yes, it's responsive. Tablet also, little issue here, but if we tell Biela to fix it, it will fix it. Let's see. Improve the responsiveness on tablet for the button free analysis. We let it work and we take some more questions from the comments section. Can I develop full stack? Yes, you can build the backend with Biela. Can you modify background colors? Yes, I can modify the background colors. Let it first fix the tablet responsiveness, and we will do this. An application for best agricultural practices and plants based on soil type. Okay, it should be able to build this. Let's close our snake game and let's try to build it. Okay, it doesn't want to build it now, but I can assure you that it is able to build such thing, and it will automatically take from the internet all the info it requires for agricultural best practices. Will there be a limit on usage per person during the 30-day trial period? No, it will be unlimited. Can Biela build a full mobile app or only website? It can build apps. Not as of right now, but in the following weeks, it will be able to build mobile and even desktop apps. Are e-commerce Biela sites integrated with Shopify? No, Shopify is a software as a service platform. You don't need Biela if you want to go with Shopify, but better go with Biela. Okay, it fixed the button. I think that's all the comments. Modify background colors. Okay, let's modify background colors. Can we integrate Stripe? Yes, you will be able to integrate Stripe with Biela. Can I create an app to track my health? If you will manually put your health information, like your weight, let's say, in the app that Biela creates, yes, you will be able to track your health. Create a platform for companies to structure their business for corporate funding. From Season Shelf Corporation, purchase to PG Selection, 7 structure corporate veil, SIC codes, credit repair if needed. Okay, this is pretty complicated. Why don't you build it yourself in few hours after this call finishes? Because you will be able to, I'm sure. Kindly walk us through the modalities. For example, can I upload an image to inspire the guy? Yes, you can do this. We let it finish the background color changes, and I will show you how can you upload an image. Can I work on it from mobile devices? I think it's better if you work on desktop device because there are a lot of things to see. Can Biela clone already existing websites? Its purpose, it's not to clone, it's to create. But theoretically, if you make a print screen of the website you want to clone and give it to Biela, it should be able to generate a pretty close result. Can we build chatbots for the websites, like an AI inside another AI? We haven't tried, but we should be able to. I don't see why not. It can simulate physics for a small game such as Gravity. Ooh. I'm not sure. We will have to see. We will have to see. will you support me if I had a great idea to build on Biela? Yes, just give us the idea on Telegram and we will support you 100%. Integrate an AI chat button support channel where the user can ask questions about the platform. Okay, we have a support chat, by the way, on Biela. If you go on our website, on the bottom right corner, you will see the chat, and you can write us here. We will help you with whatever you need. Can we purchase a domain today? No, you will be able to purchase domains directly from Biela, but not as of today. Is there a mobile app available for the Biela platform, or is this meant for desktop Mac only? There is no mobile app available right now, but we are already working on it, and you will be able to do so in the close future. Show us what more it can do. Do you have a roadmap? I think I will let my colleagues present you a roadmap. I'm only a tech guy. Okay, it's still changing background colors. I think there are a lot.
I will jump in here. We have our roadmap on the platform itself. So when you will have an access to your accounts, you will see that next to create, there is a roadmap of full Biela for until the end of this year. And we will keep on updating it the more we accomplish throughout the year. Sorry,
Perfect.
George, you can continue.
No worries, you can interrupt me. Okay, probably the server stopped. We will run the same commands again. And I think it changed the background color. Okay, Ziba, back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, George.
You're welcome.
I think everyone is already excited about the possibilities of Biela and what it can deliver. So now I'm going to pass it to Seb. And Seb, as our community manager, is going to introduce all the community opportunities for everyone who is joining us. Seb, please take the mic.
Yeah, hi everyone. So I'm Seb, and I've the absolute privilege of being the head of our community here at Biela. I've worked with, I would say, Biela and Teach Me Code Chairman for years, and we have launched numerous projects. Some were successful, other not. But what I can tell you is Biela is definitely the most amazing project I've ever worked on. So I want to take a moment to speak from my heart, because for us, community isn't a feature; it's a responsibility. So from day one, Biela was built to do more than just generate websites or apps. It was actually built to empower people, to give anyone, no matter where they are from or where they are starting from, the tools and confidence to create, to share, and to grow. So our commitment is really, really simple. It's to empower you, with the tools you will need. So to enable you to, use through that, we will do mentorship, challenges, and real world learning, and to engage you. And we will definitely engage with you. Honestly, consistently, and with respect. So we have created spaces where ideas can be tested. Feedback is always welcome, and every contribution matters. Whether you are launching your first project or helping someone with theirs, you are shaping Biela what Biela is, and more than that, you are shaping what it will become. So that's why we will always be listening. We are, that's why we are launching educational program. That's why we are as well launching community competitions, and why every single person here will have the chance to actually shape what comes next. So definitely thanks for showing up, and thank you for building. Let's keep making this something we are proud of together.
Thank you so much, Seb. And we're slightly moved to the end of it. Thank you all for sticking with us so far. I hope your minds are already racing with ideas because now it's your turn. I mean, we launched Biela, so we showed you what we are capable of creating, correct? Now it's your turn to use Biela and show us how creative you guys are. And that's exactly why we're introducing something special for today, something that we call Wall of Fame. It's a stage or a spotlight to celebrate the most creative, bold, and inspiring build to come out of this community. Starting from today, you can submit the projects you build on Biela directly to the Wall of Fame. And over the next 30 days, the entire community will be able to explore, vote, and elevate the best of the best. And yes, we're backing you up with real rewards. First place is gonna be granted $10,000. Second place is gonna leave with $5,000. And of course, for the third place, we still have a gift. It's 1 month, it's $1,000. And 7 more creators will win 1 month of unlimited Biela access. Isn't it cool? I think it's awesome. There are a few simple terms and conditions. You will find all the rules and the submission steps clearly outlined on Biela.dev website. So don't miss it out and make sure you're participating. All you need to do is build with purpose and share it with the world. The project might start as an idea, but if you do it right, it could end up on the Wall of Fame, and maybe you can even win. Let's see what you've got. And now let's pass to the Q&A sessions. George, it's your turn again. Join me.
Okay, thank you, Ziba. Nice contest. Too bad I can't participate this time.
Now, unfortunately, the team is not allowed. It's for the community because we already know what Biela can create.
Yes. Okay. So let's take some more questions from the comment section. Maybe questions about the competitions. Maybe questions about Biela. Whatever you want. How do I submit to the contest? In your user dashboard, you will have a button in the project list. You press a button, that's it. Biela will generate automatically a print screen with your project, a summary, description, technologies used, and so on. That 10K is calling my name. Okay, yeah. Show us how we register to contest. Okay, let me prepare it. I will show you if you want to see. 1 minute, give me. Meanwhile, let's take more comments. Can I make a marketing AI tool with this? Like finding right influencer niche based? Yes. You might need a database for that, like a database with influencers. Not sure if it will be able to build it, but if you have it somewhere, I'm sure it can work with it. Limited number of prompts per project. No, there is no limited number of prompts. There might be a limit of the AI capabilities. Like when your project gets very, very big, the AI may not be able to remember all the files it worked with. Explain how the contest is gonna work. Okay, it's pretty simple. You make a project with Biela, you submit it to the contest, and people have to like it. Everyone with a registered and active account in Biela can like maximum 1 project. At the end of the competition on 14th of May, the most liked project will win. That's it. Okay, let me show you how do you submit your project. Okay, so this will be your, sorry, you can't see my screen yet. Ziva, can you help me with the screen?
Yes. What's the issue with the screen? Sorry.
Okay, now I have my screen. Okay, so this will be your user dashboard. You will have your projects here. You just click the button. And you wait a couple of seconds. It will not take much. Done. Your project is submitted. Now people will only have to like it. There will be a contest page. And basically, wait, this is the website. There will be a contest page with all the projects. People just have to go in here. Maybe you will give them directly your project link for the contest. You will have it in your user dashboard, and they just have to like your project or other project. They will like the project that they like. The best project will win. I think it's clear. If you have any other questions about the contest, is there a Figma plugin? There is no Figma plugin yet, but we are working on integration with Figma. Any specific projects for the contest or anything that comes up to your minds? Absolutely anything. Whatever you want, presentation website, maybe a CRM platform, maybe a game. By the way, do you know we have another competition with the game? If you don't know, you are not on the Telegram group, and you may want to jump in on the Telegram group, because we have another competition there. You must create or extend actually a tank game, but it's only for the people in the Telegram group. If you are not there, you don't know about it. When I win the contest, can I keep that website and use it? Yes, you can keep any websites created with Biela and use them however you want. The copyright belongs to you. Can I build an app using Biela that is integrable with a current website? Yes, but you will need to take it from Biela and put it on your current website. You may need a developer for this specific action. Can you help me cheat the code? I think you're talking about the chatbot we have on the affiliate side, but you will not need to cheat that AI anymore, because you will receive, however, free access starting from today. I have domain ready after creating website from Biela. Can I deploy it on my hosting or hosting? Yes. You download the project and you upload it into your hosting or hosting. How scalable are projects built with Biela? It depends very much. It's not a generally question to answer. I need to launch a personal brand. Will Biela help with that? Yes, it will help with the website. It will help with ideas about the brand. By the way, do you know that if you don't want to code, but you just want to chat with Biela to give you some more ideas, you can do so. Like, let's try. I want content on my website. What shall I put? Is there any SEO setup done by default? Not by default, but if you just tell Biela to improve your SEO, it will do so. I want to create an e-commerce, but I'm afraid I will face issue with setting up payment gateways. Will that be an issue? It will not be an issue in the following weeks. You will have database, you will have payment gateways, you will have anything you need for creating an e-commerce website. How do you access the developer mode to build my website? You will be able to access it starting from today. Can I create a site with booking and availability calendars? Yes, you can do it. By the way, Biela answered, and it gave us some ideas about what to add on our website. Okay, there are a lot of questions in the comments. Let's see what else to take. I'm a freelancer. Can I use Biela to quickly build client sites? Yes, you can use Biela, and you can even charge your customers the work you get from Biela, it belongs to you. Team Forest wants to know your location. Okay. Can I use it to create presentations as a website and save my money, my time on Canva? Yes, you can do it. Okay, I think that's it. Ziba, back to you.
So for the final comment, I want to bring in our founder and inspirational leader, Alexandru Cocindau. So Alex, I pass the mic to you, please.
Hello to everybody. First of all, thank you for being here. Second of all, I want you to know that we built this project with a scope to have fun, and let's not forget that. Tonight, we are launching a very important step. This is a Biela beta launch, and I decided to make it free for everyone for the next 30 days, and not just that, to offer you the chance to win a lot of money just by having fun and building with Biela. These 3 prizes, they are just the beginning, as we are planning by the end of the year prizes to raise up in millions of dollars, as our community is going to grow. More than that, I want you to know that you will be able to publish only one project for the contest. So choose the best one, and don't forget that, for example, if you publish a project and you see that is not so successful for the contest, continue creating. You can unpublish a project and you can publish another project. So the faster you go publishing projects, the better is it going to be for you. It's very important for you to stay close to our community in the Telegram group. It's very well configured in such a way that Biela addresses to multiple, let's say, markets. First of all are the creators, those who are making a living out of coding, and not just only, those who are being able to create a living out of doing dynamic presentations, out of doing, I don't know, even whatever comes to your mind. Let's think about, I don't know, a wedding book. You just simply can knock on the door of different weddings and you can create wedding books and make a lot of money out of it. I've always said, if you will go now on Fiverr, but before going on Fiverr, I want you to go on Google and search by yourself, how big is the Fiverr marketplace in terms of billions, all right? This is how much is the web development in general. This was a boundary since today, and not necessarily since today, because we do have competitors which I invite you to explore, such as Bolt, Lovable, and so on. But why do I'm saying that? Because I want you to explore them while you explore us in the same time. And I want you to make sure that we are here not to be their competition, but to join them. There is a big market down there, and everybody raised hundreds of millions of dollars. This is basically the moment when you could have joined Bitcoin in the first day, all right? So you have the chance now to join Biela because you lost already the start with the other competitors. And despite our, let's say, competition, if we can call it like that, we are here to listen to you. So, for example, the first thing which we are going to implement right away is based on the comments. There will be automatic SEO, and there will be conversion from Figma to HTML, CSS, or even more to React, JavaScript. Depends on how the community is going to vote on this. My team will do a call like this one every single Friday, 8 p.m. in order to keep you updated with all the updates which have been developed during that week. You will receive chance to join different contests, different perks, and at the end of the year, we are going to make a huge, let's say, meeting, hopefully in our new Biela and Teach Me Code Institute offices in Dubai, where everyone is going to be invited. I want you to take a look in Biela and to understand further than being able to build with, you are also able to build a future with it by recommending Biela to your friends, to your family. Use it for your kids. As for example, in the affiliate program, I would take advantage of it. For example, how? Let's say I'm a family of 4. Well, I'm going to register basically my wife under me just to make sure that I'm getting that 20, 50% discount, and I'm using this money in order for me to have cheaper Biela. That's completely permissive. You can do it. There are no limits. And then you have the third part of Biela, where Biela can become your main business partner, where it can be the ground for your future business. You can use it to freelance. You can use it to build more audience for your business. The other days I was talking to a friend, and he is the owner of a security company in UK. So I told him, come on, you remember, like months ago, not even so long, it would have costed you what, maybe £2,000-3,000 to run your own website. And imagine now you have some competition, but you can take neighbor by neighbor, and you can make literally 100 websites for a cost of less than a website. Speaking about that, Biela brings here an extra layer of transparency, and this is very important because every time you prompt with Biela, I believe my team will release this feature tonight, you will be able to see live how much it would have been costed you to build that specific part of the project with, let's say, normal team in your region versus Biela. So for example, let's say I'm based in London, UK, and I want to make a simple website. We have an entire AI analysis, which takes always in consideration the many factors from your project, analyzes these compared to the offers and the way software companies are billing in the market. And this was something very easy for me, as I'm coming with 22 plus years of experience in software development, and will always show you what is the difference between the value you paid to build that specific website, presentation, game with Biela versus if you would have used that if you would have built that with a regular software company. Of course, software companies, they are not here to disappear. And here it's our next part of clientele, which we are looking for. And we missed sharing with you a very important part of Biela. The more you will see Biela growing, you need to understand that Biela has been built by Biela using Biela. Wherever would have took my team weeks, now it's taking days, hours, even minutes. The pop-ups, the pages, the back office, they've been all built by Biela because first we developed the engine of Biela, and then we used it in order to develop more and more for you with Biela. The role of developers here is to enhance their time and to multiply it. So instead of you having a developer which was able to do the work of one for the same amount of money you pay as a salary, you are now able to have the output of 100 persons. That makes also the team of Teach Me Code and Biela so powerful and so strong because we use our own tool. You know, they used to say, put your money where your mouth is. So this is the most perfect example where we are looking at now. Therefore, I challenge you to take part of this contest. You will have all the rules very transparently presented on the website. Everything is going to be very easy, no funky games. You just need to create and publish, that's all. More than that, we will allow you to discover more and more in our YouTube channel, where our colleagues will post daily videos of what we are going to develop with Biela and how Biela works. We are going to try to develop Biela to be more and more user-friendly. You see, my vision is Biela to be used by the eldest and not by the youngest, because always the youngest, they do understand more from the technology than the eldest. But it's the eldest who always come with the great ideas for the youngest. So we need to bring them in to make sure that they are for us the river of ideas which can transmute the reality through the digital. So thank you very much, and I wait you all on our Telegram group. I am pretty sure that you will enjoy Biela, and I'm very sure that in the future, with your help and the ideas which we can collect from you, we will develop it more and more. The roadmap, which is published on the website, it's going to make very clear the way we are going to develop the entire program within the next year. If you're one of the investors, stay close, because I do believe we do have a very great opportunity for you in the next future. You can invest in a product, in a software development product, which is going maybe to be listed in one of the biggest markets in the world. Thank you very much, and I wish you happy contest to all of you. Enjoy and have fun. Ms. Ziba, you have the word. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. It was great, but it's time for us to wrap it up. It would really mean a lot for us, all your feedbacks. As this is the beta version of our platform, we really need to hear you guys. Please try it as much as you can. Create multiple and different projects. Test it in all the ways possible. Ask us questions. Join our Telegram group. Use our support function on the website. We want to hear from you, and we want to meet all your expectations by delivering exact product that you're looking for. Thank you so much for all your time. Thank you for attending the call, and see you next Friday.